Alright, here I'll be showing you how you can draw the auxiliary views of these given orthographic views. So this is an object and its orthographic views are given in first angle projection. It means this is the front elevation and this is the plan. This is the front elevation and this is the plan. So I said I want to show you how you can produce the auxiliary views of this given object, and the auxiliary views that I want to produce is the first auxiliary elevation and also the first auxiliary plan. But in this video I'm going to divide the video into two. So the first part I will be showing you how you can produce the auxiliary plan of this object, and the second part of the video I'll be showing you how you can produce the auxiliary elevation of this object. So now this is the front elevation as I said, and this is the plan. So what you need to do is to replicate these given views based on the dimensions or using the dimensions given to you. So for us to produce the auxiliary plan, the first auxiliary plan, we have to project lines from each point on the front elevation. So on this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, we are going to project line onto this plane. So this plane, this x1 y1 plane is inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. You may not be able to see it very well, but when I'm working it out, you are going to see it. So let's look at how we can do that. So as I said, that what you need to do is to replicate these views as I've done it here. As you can see here, this is the front elevation and this is the plan. So I want to show you how you can produce the auxiliary plan, the first auxiliary plan. So to do that, what we need to do here is that, so I need to draw the plane first. So the plane upon which we are going to project the auxiliary plan. So it's inclined at an angle 60 degrees. So I'm going to draw a line. So I'll draw a line in this direction. So the line is inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal, and then you have to follow the direction at which the object is being viewed. So looking at what we have here, this is the arrow. So the object is being viewed in this direction. So you have to make sure you follow the direction. So so this, since this is at angle 60 degrees to the horizontal, it means that for us to be able to produce lines that will be at a right angle to this plane, it means this is in direction of angle 30 degrees, as I'm going to show you right now. So what you need to do with your 30 degree side of your set square, since we have drawn this with 60 degrees, so we want to produce perpendicular line to this line, so we have to use the 30 degree side of our set square. So I will draw a line in this direction. So at this point I will draw a line in this direction. Also at this point I'll draw a line in this direction. So from this point I will draw a line like this. So from this point we draw a line, then so from this point here, so I will draw. So from this point I will draw, and lastly from this point here, so I will draw this. Okay, so I need to extend this a bit. Alright, so as you can see here, so we have projected the lines. As I said, that whenever you have to produce auxiliary plan, you have to project lines from each point on the given elevation. So that is what we that's what we are going to use to get the auxiliary plan drawn. Then the second thing that you need to do is that for you to be able to draw the auxiliary plan, even for the auxiliary elevation, you need to produce the isometric view of the given object. I've solved problems like this before, and I've shown you that I told you that you need to produce the isometric view of the given object, which I've done here. So this is the isometric view of the given object. Okay, so now for us to produce the auxiliary plan, So the shape that we see on the top here, that is what we are going to put here. Okay, all right. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to take distance from here to here, distance from here to here. So distance from here to here is 40 millimeters. Oh, so I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters from here, 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters here. So here, so with that same 60-degree side of my set square, I will draw this line. So I draw this line from here to here, like this. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that now, if I'm looking at this object in direction that we are given from here, if I'm looking at it from the top here down, I'm going to see this rectangle here. I'm going to see this rectangle, this surface, I'm going to see it. And for me to see this surface, it is distant from here to here. So I'm going to have the rectangle. So the rectangle is this part here that we have here. So what I need to do here is to make this line a thick line. So I make this line a thick line, and I'll also make this line a thick line. Okay, so let's finish the rectangle. All right, so we have this. So the next is that as I'm looking at it in this direction, I'm going to see this rectangle here. I will see this rectangle. So for this rectangle that we have here, it is distant from here to here, and this is the rectangle. We already have it here. So what I need to do is that I will also make this line. So following this line, I will make this line a thick line. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do here is that I will also see this surface, distance from here to here, distance from here to here. I will see it. I'm going to see this surface, but let's get this distance from here to here. So which is distance from here to here. So I will just follow. I've already gotten this to here. So I will come here from here. So I have this point here. So I have this point. Then what about this shape that we have here? If you look at it, look about this shape. So this line that we have here is this line that we have here. Okay, and then this line that we have here, it is this line. So looking at this shape that we have here, we have to get it out of this. So now what we need to do is that, so this first point that we have here, so we come here, so we have this point. So this first point, and this point is connected to this point. So that means we have it from here to here. So if I follow this now, so I have this point. I have this point. So I will join this together like this. I will connect this together like this. So I believe you understand what I did there. So what about this line? So this point, where is this point? This point is here. So coming like this. So I have it here. So I have it at this point. And then, so this point that we have at the top here, so we have it at this point. So I'll just trace this. So which is, I've already marked it here. So all I need to do is to connect this together. So I'll connect this together like this. Okay, so having connected this together, so the next thing I need to do is to draw a line from here to here. I make this a thick line, and I'll also make this a thick line from here to here. So this is the auxiliary plan. This is how the auxiliary plan will look. So once you are done with this, that means you have completed it. But there's something that I need to put there, so I don't want to omit it. So as I'm looking at this object in this direction, this point is hidden from me. So we have to show it here as a hidden part of the object with short dashes line. So I'm going to use short dashes line on this, so that that point is hidden from me while looking at it in the direction of the arrow. So this is it. So this is how it should look like. So let's see it very well. So this is the auxiliary plan of the given views. So it's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. God bless you.